Save. Throw it over. Throw it. Throw it over.
Just tap it, Christian.
Run over it, but touch it. Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, it's a goal!
Holy crap, dude.
What?
Didn't know you could curve it like that. No. It went this way, and it came around.
Oh, oh no, go! Did you catch my shot?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you should have filmed it from there. You could have got the curve.
You're filming it?
Yeah.
Oh.
You can't take pictures with crap, so he's taking a video.
Stop, stop.
Oh,
Stop! Stop! Go, Christian!
Leave it!
Whoa!
Oh!